Cardamom and cloves are effective natural remedies for soothing a stubborn cough. Cardamom helps by calming throat irritation, acting as an expectorant and boosting immunity, while cloves have antimicrobial and antiseptic properties that fight infections and reduce inflammation. Both spices help loosen mucus and ease coughing. For more such videos, keep watching Health Plus.